I'm from Germany and I'm 23 years old and I'm studying here in Spain in Valencia.
How did you get to know BADER?
I was speaking with a friend and she told me that she went to a local shop here in Valencia and she bought a turbine kit which included everything we needed, and that was from BADER.
Did you ever consider any other options?
Yeah, I chose BADER because of my friend, and I thought that was a really good price quality coming from a student perspective, meaning that everything is included in a good price quality. Yeah.
Why did you decide to purchase this model?
I thought I'm still a student and I want something which a product that I can rely on.
What was the characteristic that you found more convenient?
Everyday use, of course, the light on the turbine, I think. And also was quite convenient that everything came in one kit. So everything was there, so you open just the box and you had them all aligned.
Did you have any problem with the rotatory instruments?
I didn't have any problems until a few weeks ago, where my contra angle stopped a bit working. So basically the burr wasn't fixing, and when I tried to polish, the polishing disc was stopping. But actually there was no problem. I went to the dental shop and they had no troubles of contacting you, and within, I think it was 3 days, it was quite amazing. I had my contra angle back and it was really good because in the afternoon I had a practice exam. So I had it in the morning and everything was perfect.
Do you have any other BADER products?
Yes, I do actually. I use some teeth that we need to use. For example, for pediatrics, we have some teeth with pulp that we had to buy. And I think also for surgery, I'm using some instruments such as the elevator and those kind of products.
If you ever opened your own clinic, would you buy BADER products?
If I ever would open my own clinic, I think I would take it into considerations.
Do you think you will need more instruments on your degree, and would you buy BADER?
Yes, I think so. So we always need to buy new teeth for the models because obviously we're practicing, so we need new teeth that are not being touched. So yeah, I think in the future I would need some, of course not any other turbines, but some teeth or any other instrument for the upcoming years.
Would you recommend BADER to a friend?
Yes, I would recommend BADER, especially because they have those turbine kits, and also because due to my experience, the customer service was really good. So I'm really happy about that. Also, you have the 5 years warranty or guarantee for students. So I know for sure that my career goes 5 years, or until the end of my career, I have a warranty, and that's really good if something happens.
Thank you very much, Victoria. It was really nice to talk to you. It was amazing.